Pressure's on, but we try to laugh through it. I always say adapt and overcome. So that's what we're doing.
I told you guys were going to have some good TV.
We have 3 former soldiers on our team. Caitlin was in the Navy, Will and Justin were in the Army, and Kennedy, her husband, is active duty right now. He's been gone for 9 months so far. These people are disciplined. With a soldier, we never have to teach work ethics because they know how to get to work, and they really apply themselves 100%.
So I was in cosmetology school, and every time I would leave the classroom, I would see the welders because they were right down the hallway. Fell in love with welding when I would see the sparks flying, hoods down. I thought it was the coolest thing ever.
You learn something new every day, and when we come here, we definitely learn a lot of new things in one day.